That kind of a cost on a small business trying to either stay in the government or get into the government is a pretty big barrier to meet that number 3.
Yeah, and no, so yes, it's a big barrier in terms of time and cost. And I also expect that the government is going to see if they can address that in some way. And I've heard a couple approaches. I don't know that I'll bring them up here because they were kind of in sidebar conversations, but some cost avoidance or cost mitigation or some other types of approaches to help small businesses out. And so we'll see what comes out of it, but there is the feeling that some of this is pretty onerous for a small business to take on, and yet the government wants small business participation. So if you want small businesses, but there's a huge cost to meeting some of the barriers to being a small business in the government, there is the opportunity for the government to be helpful.